Samsung has officially revealed a hidden improvement inside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series. It is something you will never actually see, yet it changes how the folding display behaves. Combined with earlier leaks, the Fold 8 Ultra now appears much more deserving of its name, and there's a reason why. For months, reports suggested the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series would feature Samsung's least noticeable crease yet. However, the company's official announcement reveals the upgrade goes far beyond simply making the fold line less visible, leading to a much bigger change underneath. Samsung introduced what it calls the new Flex titanium display, but the biggest advancement is not the titanium itself. The real change comes from where Samsung has positioned that material inside the display stack, and that detail makes all the difference. Titanium was already present inside the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition and the Fold 7. This time, though, Samsung has moved it much closer to the OLED panel. The previous polymer film has been replaced by an ultra-thin titanium alloy film, setting up another key improvement. According to Samsung, this new titanium alloy film is around 20 times stiffer than the previous layer. Beneath it sits an additional support plate, but using a completely solid plate would make folding far more difficult, which introduces an important design choice. To solve that challenge, Samsung created tiny patterned openings throughout the support plate. These openings allow the structure to remain durable while still bending naturally with the display, revealing that the design is about far more than adding another material. Rather than simply using more titanium, Samsung has replaced one of the softest layers beneath the OLED with one of the strongest. That matters because the hinge alone does not create the crease, and the behavior of those internal layers plays a major role. Every time the phone folds, the layers beneath the OLED stretch, compress, and gradually settle around the folding area. The stiffer titanium film is expected to distribute that pressure more evenly, while the patterned plate provides a steadier base when opened. As a result, the display should be less likely to sink deeply around the fold after extended use. It may also make the inner screen feel firmer, giving your finger an experience that feels closer to a traditional smartphone display. But expectations still matter. A completely crease-free display should not be expected. For months, Samsung has carefully described the improvement as a less visible crease, rather than eliminating it entirely, meaning the fold line will still appear under certain lighting and viewing angles. The updated display also offers a higher resolution while consuming considerably less power. Although Samsung is not the first foldable manufacturer to use titanium for crease reduction, placing the alloy film directly beneath the OLED appears to be a meaningful structural upgrade. Marketing images for the Z Fold 8 series have also surfaced, showing a clear visual difference between the two models. The standard Fold 8 appears noticeably shorter and wider, matching previously leaked dimensions, and looking more distinct than expected. Everything leaked so far suggests the standard Fold 8 is more than a lower-cost model with weaker hardware. Its shape favors landscape viewing and side-by-side multitasking, though it may be less comfortable one-handed and harder to fit into narrow pockets. Meanwhile, Samsung's US reservation credit has dropped to $30. Free double storage may no longer be included, and paying roughly another $100 could be necessary. With Flex Titanium revealed, the Fold 8 Ultra now reaches 9 upgrades said to justify the Ultra name, while the remaining 8 deserve an even closer look.